offers you good opportunity at at a considerably good rank. So even if your rank is say more than 25,000 in KCET, and similarly more than 25,000 in Comet K, then also you can get good branches in this college, which could be the computer science, information science, and so on. And as the NRF ranking, I have to say this is one of within the category of 250 to 300 in all India basis. And also from infrastructure perspective, since it is established college, it has got a very good laboratories for computer science, electronics, mechanical, mechatronics, automobile, and the other branches. So I will come to branches here. So what are the branches which are available? As I mentioned, these are all the new age or the new generation branches are available here, as well as the traditional E mechanical civil. And this college being located on the very core area within SCI, within Bangalore. It is close to the heart of the city, and it is close also to the heart of the electronic city, so I should say. And that's the reason it gets noticed, and has a very good placements, right? And that's the reason this college also has a good alumni base, which you find in a large MNCs, right? And that makes it more attractive for students who are who have not got the ranks in top 20 or say 15 or 20,000, but they want to pursue a best option, and that also within Bangalore. So this is, so let me show the cutoff for branch wise for last year. So in as good as 30,000 and 35,000, you get computer science, electronics, and electrical triple E branches. So that is the a benefit here, that if you're looking for good college at a considerably medium to low rank, then this is the option you consider. But the salary, but the average placement salaries are not the concern. And you see the data which was submitted to Oxford last year. So it has got a good placement as well. It's out of 875 students eligible, 682 have got placed, and with average salary of median salary of 4 lakhs. So median of 4 lakhs is a very good salary, considering it will be average of 5.5 lakhs. And that's the reason I'm saying this is a good college, and a lot of people don't know, and they take lower branches or at the premier institute, and in that case placement remains a concern. So here the placement is not a I mean, it's a decently done here, and you see all the IT services company like IBM, Deloitte, HP, Infosys visiting this campus. And apart from that, core sector companies, be it HDFC Bank, or be it in Vitals, or any category, Timken, Subex, Target. Those are the companies, Biocon. These are the companies which are non-IT services company, but they still are there for campus recruitments of students from other non-core branches. Now coming to hostels, there is a separate hostels for boys and girls, so that facility is available if you are not a student of Karnataka or Bangalore itself. And the nearby areas also, you get a lot of PG accommodation for this college. Library is quite decent, and it is already a very good infrastructure for library as well as, and you see it spreading in 2 floors here. Other extracurricular activities is also good here. So apart from sports, and the transportation is available regularly for the students who are not taking the hostels. Apart from, there is a canteen facility also into the college. So and more than that, in the academic part also, there is a good number of students who are pursuing PhD in this college. So that way, it has a good background. So apart from that, there are few other colleges like Oxford College of Architecture part of this. So students who are wants to consider this, please have this. So overall, it's a very good college with a placement alumni track record, and you should definitely take into this if your rank is more than 25,000 in KCT Comet K. And I would thank you again for seeing this important update for you for your career. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye.